Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulil mustafa wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man ihtada amma ba'du. Hello guys, my name is Rehan Kenzi Avando, and in here I would like to presentate about my portfolio on my junior high school from 2022 until 2025. So portfolio is something that you could choose for searching work or searching job. So you give it to the boss, and you could yes, and then we will go to the inside. This is my profile and experience in here. So, and there are the education. First, on primary school, I go in primary school at near my home in Putrajaya from 2016 until 2022. Then I continue from 2022 until 2025 on junior high school at IDN Boarding School Jonggol. And then there are my contacts in here. There are my Gmail, LinkedIn, Instagram, and so on. And there are some language that I could speak, yes, like native Indonesia and English. But for the others, I just know a few words and not too complicated. Then there are my software skills in here. I could use some platforms like Figma for designing, and then some game platforms to make game, and then Arduino, and then Photoshop, and coding, editing, and others. Then I also join some competition, as you can see in here. I join Olympiad of English on 2022, and then on math competition, Olympiad, and then there are some others competition, and there are some certificate that I have, like SoloLearn, and then basic network engineering, English language, best student, and TAFIS. And then we go to the list of contents, where I will show you the project that I have made on IDN. First, there are game projects, then go to the website, IoT, multimedia, Android, English, then Dinya, and the last is achievement and experience. For the game projects, I made using Scratch and Buildbox. The first, there is Bombercat. So Bombercat is a game where the player is becoming a cat to bombing the crabs that goes around in here, and you could see there are the green ground and also a red wall. And if after one crab die, the cat player gets 1 point. But if the cat player bomb himself, it will be game over. And then the next is parking game. This is the game that I also made using Scratch, and this is the final game that I made on the first semester. For the final project, of my Scratch game. And like name, it's a car game where you need to avoid the obstacle and goes to the parking slot, like in here. Then there is Fruit Battle on the third game projects I made using Scratch. Like its name, it's a game where it's about multiplayer game, and the ammo that you use to be the bullets is some fruits like strawberry and banana, watermelon, and anything. Then to the next one, here are the game that I made using Buildbox. The first is Running Ball. It's a game where you need to avoid the obstacle, and like its name, it's a you will be the ball. So you will be a ball that goes around to take some diamonds, and it's a 3D game, not like the previous one. It's a 2D game. Then the last, that is Crossing Cube 3D. So basically it's a jumping cube where you need to jump across several platforms. Like in here there are cube platform, and the player will be a cube that will jumping, and the platform is always moving around from the right to the left and from the left to the right. And it will be finished if you already go to the finish line over here. Then go to the next one. It is a website projects. I made this using WordPress and Google Sites. So the first one, it's personal website. This is the first project on IDN that I made. So I put my projects and anything about me in this personal website. In here, I'm not only using WordPress but also the Elementor plugin, and I've just updated the website to be the new version. And the next one is school website that I made using Google Sites. In here, I made a school website about my primary school, Putrajaya. And then I've made the pause me, sir. And that's it. That's the school website that I made using Google Site. There are also mosque website, and we will go, and there are restaurant website also that I made. I will explain it later, and we will go to the next project, which is IoT or Internet of Things. In here, I'm using Microbit and Arduino. There are first disaster alarm I made using Microbit, but I want to explain about my project on Arduino, which is ultrasonic sensor. So this is a project where we made a sensor that and several codes on Arduino. So the sensor could detect the something in front of it, like the distance and then the data later will send back to us. And then there are also weather station and field detection. Then on multimedia projects, here there are several of it. The first is UI prototype. This is about UI prototype of an app design about book century. So this is app where you could read book directly from your phone. Wait, mister. Then we will go to the next one. This is some of the other projects on multimedia like 3D Smart Home, and we'll go to the Android projects. Here I'm using Codular and Flutter. Yes, there are Talk to Me app where you could talk, you could type something, then the app uh, will speak when you click the speak button. And then there are All in Calculation app. It is a calculator app on Codular that I made. So this is a calculator where you could not only counting simple math like subtraction and others, but also for counting two-dimensional shape like rectangle, triangle, and others. The more complicated one, yes. And then there are Bitaqua dashboard where I made this using Flutter and Dart languages. Here is I show you the codes, and this is an app for Muslim, and the dashboard is about the dashboard of the homepage of its app. And then there are some features like the zakat screen, video kajian, and others. And then go to the next one on English projects. There are some of it. The first one is short movie. In here, it is a team project I made with my friends. Yes, it's a Sensei Go movie, and it's a action-based movie. Yes. And in here, I became the villain. And then there are also podcasts with friend about how to build a startup. So I'm talking with one of my friends, Kenzi, about how to build a startup and discuss about it. Then there are also a biography video where we made or explaining a public figure. And in here, I'm explaining about the story of Jack Ma and how he could he can be the owner of Alibaba, and he becomes success. Okay, now we move to Dinia projects. In here there are hadis poster that I made. It's about for those who love to go to masjid. And then there are also another projects like motion graphic. And then we go to the last one, which is achievement. And later there are also experience. For this, I have some of it like Math Olympiad, then Best English, and then also Solo Learn certificate, where I got the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript certificate. And then there are also the semester best student, then some of the others. And then we go to the experience. So for the first one, it's about idea and teaching, and in here it is a teacher's workshop where me and my friend shares and teaching the teachers of another school about design. Then there are edu race, where in here it's a challenge based activity where we go with our friends, go from Jonggol until Kota Tua using a small amount of money, a few cash, and there, and that's it, the edu race experience. And then there are also Mission Impossible, where we sell something on a higher price. Then I also become part of the OSIS in 2 years, where I got so many experience about teamwork and leadership. And maybe that's all that I can present to you all about my portfolio. And this is the closing. Syukron. My name is Ryan Kenziavando. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.